Welcome back to Shop NBC. My name is Jim Skelton. I'm going to be here with you for the next 2 hours of Stuhrling Original. We have some really cool markdowns tonight, prices we have never ever seen before. Huge markdowns. As a matter of fact, we also have some brand spanking new items never seen by anyone before, so stay tuned for that. This is the granddaddy of them all. This is a genuine Tourbillon, $44.99. 5 value pays of $8.99. You've got a genuine crocodile strap. You have a beautiful, elaborate move. Can I show this live very quickly? Because, you know, we only have, I think, one of these left. This was on a cancellation from the last show that we had. And I want you to see this movement, and I want you to see the rotating cage for the Tourbillon. You need to take a look at this, the dial work on this. There is your Tourbillon cage, gently rotating around. But look at the fully decorated movement. This is a real work of art, folks. If you've ever wanted what is considered to be the complication to own, and you don't want to spend $100,000 to do it, here you go. Here is your first genuine Tourbillon sapphire crystals, front and back, beautiful dial. You've also got a date wheel and a day wheel as well, so you're not just getting the Tourbillon, you're getting 2 complications. And folks, it's $44.99. We have one you must call in very quickly. This has well, actually we have the silver tone, it's the rose tone indices. Folks, it's $8.99 for your first payment. J138786. I urge you to call in quickly. With the only one remaining there, it is not going to last. And these are only made in limited quantities, so we can't continue to bring these out here. We're fighting to get more. Trust me, we are trying our hardest, but I don't think it's going to happen. And I want to say hello to my good friend Larry Magen back here from Stuhrling.
Yeah, it's great to be here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a great show lined up for you tonight. We've got so much value packed into this show. You saw some of the watches we're going to be showing here in this hour. I don't want to take up any time, but I do want to thank everybody for joining the party, joining us all year, sending me some emails. I've been getting some great emails, Jim. It's just been like a big party, and I want everybody out there to just join the fun, and let's get into these watches. We've got some tremendous value tonight.